To transfer money from the Kuda Bank app, start by downloading the app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, log into your account using your user ID and password. From the home page, navigate to the Pay section and select Send to a username. Enter the recipient's username and click Search to find their account. After selecting the correct username, enter the amount you wish to send, and optionally add a message or emoji. Verify the recipient's details to ensure accuracy. Then confirm the transaction using Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN. Transactions between Kuda accounts are free and instantaneous. Additionally, upgrading your account can provide 25 free transactions to banks and fintech accounts per month. By following these simple steps, you can easily transfer money from the Kuda Bank app.